What's going on today, guys? This is Jacob from MarineMax, and today I have another boat walkthrough video for you today. It's a little bit different than our traditional consignment listings that we have. Today we have a Carolina Skiff JV 20-foot flats boat. This, for inshore fishing, it's going to be one of the best entry-level boats that you can get into. Even if you are an experienced boater, Carolina Skiff has been around for years. They make great boats, great price point for entry-level boaters, as well as the experienced boaters looking to kind of get a more niche style boat. This one specifically is a flat bottom with a modified V on the front. So with a flat bottom, it's going to allow you to get in much shallower waters. It's going to really let you target those redfish and trout in the shallow depths. If you wanted to take it down south, you can fish for bonefish up in the mangroves. You know, it's a great utility boat all the way around for inshore fishing. This one already comes with the trolling motor. This is a Minn Kota iPilot, quick release trolling motor controls. You can walk around the whole boat, still maneuver the trolling motor no matter where you're at, which is excellent. As we move forward to the back, there is a vast amount of open space around here. So whenever you do catch your fish, you have plenty of deck space inside to kind of fiddle around with it, unhook it, take your pictures. Because if you didn't take a picture with your fish, did you really catch it? I didn't think so. Now we're moving back to the center console. Pretty simple center console. It's a little compact micro, not too big for the size of the boat. You have 3 rod holders on both sides, so 6 in total. 2 cup holders, so you're always having your beverage right there within arm's reach of you. This is paired with a Lowrance fish finder. Lowrance and Simrad are going to be very preferable in the saltwater game industry. It does have a tilt steering handle. Now we're on the lean post. The lean post is actually an adjustable lean post. As you can see, these grooves and rivets here allows you to transition the backrest from where it's sitting like you see right now, or all the way to the front. So if you needed to look out the backside while you're at the island, you're backed up to the beach or so, kind of your preference, or if you're trolling. This does come with a bimini top, keep you shaded through those long days on the water because the sun is brutal down here in Florida. So you need to keep yourself shaded, get away from the sun. This has live well storage compartment in the back. This is paired with a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke boat. And one last thing, this one is outfitted and paired with the aft boarding swim ladder. This is great for whenever you're backed up at the island or the sandbar or wherever you're at, just cruising, hanging out, to get in and out of the boat excessively easy. It's a new listing that we have here. Be more than happy to explain more about it to you. Come and see me when you have the chance. This is Jacob Wright from MarineMax. Contact number is 850-819-9106.